Hi, in this video I'm introducing Koner, the interactive viewer to highlight and rate keywords in documents. My name is Daniel and I'm the full stack web developer of Koner. What is the goal? Why does Koner exist? Traditionally, if you want to search for research papers in a digital library, you could do so by searching for a title, by authors, or by using an institute. But this is quite limited. Oftentimes, if you're introduced to a new topic or a new domain, you just know a few keywords about that topic, and you would like to use that to search for relevant research papers, which right now is not quite possible with this metadata. So the search functionality could be improved by extracting keywords for each document in the digital library and make these usable for search and exploration. My approach to find these keywords in the documents consists of two steps. First of all, the keywords are extracted using a machine learning classifier. But this is not perfect. It introduces some inaccuracies. So this can be improved by visualizing the keywords in the viewer and allowing users to rate and highlight new keywords. Here is an overview of the typical Koner workflow. Right now the Koner viewer is live on konerviewer.herokuapp.com. When you go there, you can create an account or assign in to your existing account and open a document. Once you open the document, you can go through the paper and rate already extracted keywords. And when you see a keyword that you think should also be added, you can highlight that. And for each of these actions, you are rewarded in Koner tokens. There are three types of OST rewards. The first one is when you open a new paper to start rating the paper. The second one is when you highlight a new keyword. And finally, you are also rewarded if you actually rate an existing keyword. In the future, I plan to introduce additional OST rewards, where the most important one is to airdrop users Koner tokens based on the quality of their previous ratings. Also, I would like to introduce an admin panel where you can set up additional rewards by yourself. It was essential for me to have some real-life users test the app and get some feedback. This resulted in a total of about 4,000 OST rewards for the three reward types. And I made sure to back up all request responses in the Firebase database and export them to a JSON file. In this demo, I'll show you the typical workflow of using the Koner app. And I'll keep the developer console open so you can see which requests are being made to OST. So first up, let's create a new account. All right, sign up. Then we'll be redirected to the actual viewer, which you can see here. And here you can see the OST user has been created with the response. Here's the user interface of Koner. On the right, you see the rendered PDF with all the extracted keywords for different categories, being dataset or method or both. And on the left, you can see an overview of all the keywords and ratings you've given, which right now are none. Then we can switch papers if you want to, which will trigger the first reward. I want to open this one, and it triggers a reward switch paper with the response here. Next up, we can rate a keyword. So let's say Wikipedia is indeed a data set, which will trigger the second reward type, which is reward rating, with also the response here. And the sidebar is updated with all your ratings. So then you can go through the document, rate keywords when you see them, and also highlight new ones if you think they're relevant. So we can take this one. I will say this is indeed a method, which triggers the last reward type, which is reward highlight. This is the admin page of Koner, where you have an overview of the most recent OST rewards that have been triggered. And this is the paper we just rated, so we can open up one of our ratings on OST view. And we'll see that it's been processed and the user has been rewarded 5 Koner tokens. Like I mentioned before, all the OST transactions and responses are also recorded in this Firebase database. And finally, this is the exported JSON from all the rewards in the Firebase database, which you can see are quite a few. I'm very pleased with the product I've been able to deliver, and even more excited to see how I can improve it in the future.